Hey, this JD and FIA, 4 chords here. All right, we're in the key of D flat. All right, D flat's our 1, E flat's our 2, F is our 3, G flat's our 4, A flat's our 5, B flat's our 6, C is our 7, D flat's our 1. Back up to the C, and let's take a look at B. B will be our flat 7. All right, C is our major 7. All right, we're gonna take that down a half step. B is gonna be our flat 7. All right, so our progression is going, we're gonna keep that 1 in our left hand, the D flat. All right, and we're just gonna play these 4 chords right here. All right, very simple, but it sounds pretty interesting. All right, so the first chord, playing a D flat major chord, D flat, E flat, F, A flat. Then I'm keeping the D flat the whole time, the D flat in my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing A flat major chord, first inversion. All right, C, E flat, A flat. All right, A flat, my 5 chord, just playing the first inversion. All right, then I'm gonna play that flat 7 chord that we talked about at the beginning, which is a B. So I have a B major chord, adding the 9 there. All right, so left hand D, keeping the D flat. I'm playing B, D flat, E flat, G flat. Final chord, you're gonna go to a G flat major. All right, B flat, D flat, G flat. Playing it first in inversion. All right, so take those 4 chords, all of them over D flat in the left hand. Left hand, I want to make it interesting, so you want to kind of keep moving as much as you can. All right, that's what I'm playing. So I'm playing D flat, A flat, E flat, E flat, D flat. Put it fast. All right, when you get ready to that 4th time, just walk up A flat, B flat, D flat, E flat. We do it slow. All right, just practice it. So just kind of play around with that. So just practice around with that. It takes getting used to with the left hand, especially once you combine the rhythm of the right hand. All right. So yeah, hope that helped. If you got any questions, please let me know. Thanks.